Hello viewer, welcome back to my KDP low content channel. In this video, I want to show you a hot selling KDP low content book niche. So after a 1 month and I publish a new video. So from today I continue my new video, so please watch my every video very carefully. So today's very hot selling niche is anxiety relief word search. Anxiety relief word search. Anxiety relief word search book. Anxiety relief word search book. So here you can see 300 plus results only. So this is very low competition, and here you can see already 3 book review, and May 1 2023 already published, already sell, and here BSR rank is 404571. So here you can see anxiety relief WhatsApp 67 review, and his BSR rank is 2765. So obviously this is a micro niche. So uh, also you can check out trademark and copyright also. Before you select a title, a niche, then you can check out trademark and copyright. So no test records are found to match the criteria of your query. So this niche is fully safe, and when you select this niche, please you can again check trademark and copyright. So thank you to each and every one for watching my video. So thank you so much. Thank you all.